Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So adding and cropping images in Goodnotes lets you create richer, more visual notes, perfect for screenshots, diagrams, and study materials. So in this guide, I will show you step by step how to add images and crop images in Goodnotes in 2026 quickly and efficiently. Okay, so first thing first, add an image to your page. Okay, so method number one, using the image tool. So tap the image tool. Okay, so you have here many options. Okay, so you have this search, you have this, we have lasso here, we have pen, we have eraser, text, elements, we have image here. Okay, so this is the option. So tap the image option. Okay, so tap anywhere on the page. So choose the option, select an image from your device first. Okay, so as you can see here, okay, so I selected an image. Okay, so method to drag and drop. Okay, so drag an image from photos or files into your notes. The image will appear instantly. Okay, so this is for iPad. You can resize and position the image. Okay, so as you can see here, okay, you can tap the image to select it and drag the two corners to resize, move it anywhere on the page. Okay, now crop the image. Okay, so tap the image. Okay, select crop from the edit menu. So we have here you have here the option of resize it, and we have the option of crop. Okay, so you have crop the image like this. You decide how to crop it, and after you finish, you type you tap done. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.